I'm back. I actually have my tweezers, but I think I'm gonna go in with a third coat. Because I think, I mean, if it says in the directions you can do, oh shoot, here I go again. I am getting liner all over my lashes. Like, it is horrifying what's happening right now. But I think you can do as many coats as necessary. Maybe I'm going too close to my waterline. That could be it, I don't know. Let me do this other side. Needless to say, again, if liner isn't your thing, this could be very difficult. All right, hopefully. Oh, so while this is drying, I'm gonna give myself a few minutes. I picked up 2 of these Amouche Bouche liquid lipsticks. They're on sale to 4. I think they're normally 25, maybe 30, I'm not sure. And they're on sale for $12. So right now I'm wearing Chicory. I'll swatch that. I think it's described on the website as like a rosy brown. So that's Chicory. I think it's really pretty. And then Yucca, which I love the names of these too. And they smell like your normal Bite Beauty smell, just like a nice, and this is like a, also like a nudish kind of color, but it's more orange, I guess. And I'll put both colors on. Right now I have Chicory on under this Urban Decay pencil, which is, oh, it ends today. There was a sale. These were half off. So they're normally $22 and it was $10.50. And this is Nighthawk, I think. So you can see that. What I like about these is they're really creamy. It's like a nice brown. And they're supposed to be, what, 24/7? I haven't tested it out yet. I'll get back to you on that. All right, so hopefully this is dry now. Or tacky. We'll try this again. I have my tweezers. Maybe I'm putting the wrong, no. That's right, yeah, okay. Maybe I'm putting the wrong, no, this is right, this is left, okay. So let's try one more time. It's just the adjusting part. This is where I guess the tweezers are necessary. Because you need to get it to your inner corner. And you can feel the magnet for sure. It's like, that's not really the issue, but the lifting up. So I guess that's why they give you the anchor magnets. Because like, my bottom portion keeps, so like right here, it keeps lifting up. So I guess I could try that. I have all these compacts, but this is the only one that has a mirror. Because you have to get in close for that part. So let me do my tweezers. See if I can get this closer. Oh, it was actually pretty good. But now, okay, so I think my issue is that there's not enough liner on the inner corner of my eyes, if that makes sense. Shoot, what's gonna happen? And my tweezers are metal, so we know how that goes with magnets and metal. Oh my gosh, it just occurred to me. Is anyone watching a Marvel fan or like an X-Men fan? Because this is a magnetic lash. So if I had like Magneto superpowers, I could manipulate these lashes to make them look flawless, couldn't I? That would be cool. Right. So I'm gonna try. See how this is popping up here? I'm hoping. Oh, that kind of worked, but it hurts. So this is in the inner corner now. I don't know if you can see this, but not inner corner, but this is the inner corner. I keep saying that, but that's not correct. This is the inner, but like right here, it's not lifting up, but it feels really weird. And it's still not, well, actually, it's pretty good. And I could put one more, let's say, on the outer portion and see what happens. I don't know if I'm taking too long, because I haven't even done anything on the other side. I still don't know how I feel about these. Like it's a good idea, but at this point, wouldn't it just be easier to just do a strip lash if you really wanted the dramatic look? Like this is not an easy thing to do. And I'm not good at strip lashes. I can do individual also, but I find strip lashes harder than the individual. I like the trio lashes. I don't know if anyone likes those. Because the individuals, they give you more precision, but they just take so long. So this isn't even. It's sticking to the tweezer, not the magnet. I mean, to the tweezer, not the lash. I mean, I don't really need on that side, so I'll chill on that. Let's do the other side. Let's see how that goes. This side typically ends up being easier for me for lashes. So let's see how that one goes. So that was actually really, really easy. Like super easy. I mean, so you can see that there's a, I don't know how natural, I mean, I don't think natural is the look someone's going for here with this. I don't know, they feel kind of uncomfortable. Like it feels kind of heavy on my eyelash, if that makes sense. Like I can feel it and it doesn't feel great. It doesn't feel horrible, but it doesn't feel great. I don't know. So they're on. I don't know if I'll even, I don't know where my other thing is, my other little lash tool. Try to like clamp them together a little bit more. I don't see it here, so if I don't have it, I'm not gonna knock over this mirror again. So they're on. You can definitely see that there's something on my eye. Let's see, actually. I'm gonna try to tightline, which is, I'm sure people know, but I'm just gonna put mascara on my waterline to see if it doesn't look so ridiculous. Oh, this is not. That's a lip pencil. There it is. Here it is. Let's see if that, like, I don't know if it on camera it looks weird, but in this mirror I can easily see the separation. This one actually isn't as bad. This one's pretty close. Like pretty darn close. So let's do this one first. So I'm just putting eyeliner on my waterline. And this is kind of why I had thought to put mascara, but that's really not a good idea. Don't try that. See, now look, see, this popped right up. But I think you can just push it back down because the liner's still there, you know? And maybe I'll do an anchor on this side. Maybe I should have done this ahead of time. Coulda, shoulda, woulda. All right, so that helps a little bit, actually. I think that actually helps a lot. I don't know, can you see the difference? I don't know if anyone can see the difference. Oh, the magnets are really sticking. This is tricky because it's like some of the liner got in my eyelash and some of it got obviously on my eyelid. But I'm not confident in the intent, like in this stain. Actually, that's much better. It's kind of cool that you can keep adjusting it, but it's also kind of freaky that you can keep adjusting it. So like you just, I don't know, you kind of feel like, is it gonna stay or not? I have to take off this hook here. This is driving me crazy. This anchor lash here, oh, does not feel good. But of course now it's coming out. The whole thing is coming off. I'm gonna try one more time. Maybe I don't need the anchor lash. Maybe you like need more. Maybe I need more liner. All right, so at my second attempt, it's okay. I feel like this is not something that you just pop on and go to work. You have to kind of work at this and get the hang of it and get a rhythm to it. But I think it could really work if you're willing to keep trying. I guess, I mean, that's with many things, right, in life. Like, is it worth it for you to keep trying something? I think with this, it might be. Yeah, without that anchor lash, it's okay. It was just really like, the magnets are powerful. So they're like, so then I felt like my, right here, I don't know what you call this part, was being squeezed. But I see the purpose of it because here you don't want it lifting up. So that's something that needs to be worked on. So let me pause for a second and I'll do some swatches of the Bite lipsticks.